Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to show you this week's Members Trade of the Week, a new feature that we have here at 10 Minute Trades. Larry from Canada has been trading quite well since he became a member last year. He decided to trade the Canadian jobs report with a breakout trade, and Larry has his own shorthand for our setups. A 10 tick bracket, a target of 10 ticks, 30 ticks, and a stop of 20 ticks. Larry made a $200 profit on this trade. His entry trading the Canadian dollar was right here at 74,648. As he noted, he had a lot of slippage, 15 ticks of slippage, but the price still went up for him. He got his first target about 10 ticks away from his entry, and then he got his last target as the price was making a new high. It hit his second target, and Larry made $200 on the Canadian jobs report. A great job. What's interesting is Larry traded the report completely different than the way that we traded. We traded a trap trade, and we made money on the trap trade also. But Larry, he likes the breakout trades more than anything because I watch him trade them all the time in the trade room. And he makes money on a regular basis, and $200 on the Canadian jobs report, trading in his own unique way, using a lot of our advice. Very happy to see Larry making money. $200 profit, the Canadian jobs report with Larry R. from Canada. Congratulations, you are our members trade of the week. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you in the trade room.